Hey guys, this is a video in my TI-84 plus CE graphing calculator tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate permutations and combinations using the TI-84 plus CE. Without further ado, let's get to it. A permutation is a selection of objects where the arrangement or order matters. For example, if we want to figure out the possible number of arrangements of 5 objects from a set of 11 objects, the permutation would be written in this form, where 11 is the n value and 5 is the r value. If we want to calculate this permutation using the TI-84 plus CE, press the Math button and then arrow over to the Probability tab, and then you'll notice that the permutation is the second option and combination is the third option. You can either arrow down to the permutation option and press enter, or you could just type in the corresponding number on the number pad. So the number here is 2, so just type 2 on the number pad and that will select the permutation option. Then notice a P appears on the screen with a space on the left and a space on the right. On the left you type in the n value, on the right you type in the r value. So here we're going to type in 11 and then arrow right. So now we're on this side, and then type in 5. So the entry looks like this. And then press enter and we get the permutation, which is 55,440. Next, let's do a combination. A combination is a selection of objects from a group where the order does not matter. For example, if we want to figure out the possible number of different combinations of 5 objects from a group of 11 objects, it would be written in this form, where we have 11 as the n value and r once again as equal to 5. So to do a combination on the calculator, it's quite similar to the permutation. Press the Math button and then arrow right until you get to the Probability tab, and then just press 3 on the number pad, and that brings up this C over here with a space on the left and a space on the right. On the left you're going to type in the n value, which is 11, so the entry looks like this. Then arrow right and type in 5, so the entry looks like this, and then press enter and we get the answer. Hope this helps. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll try my best to help. Check out other videos on my channel, especially the graphing and scientific calculator tutorial series. And until next time, take care guys.